friends. Very soon we're going to be going on a bear hunt with Miss Alana when she does her video. And I thought what we could do is make some binoculars so we can have them when we go for our bear hunt. So what you need is 2 toilet paper rolls, a piece of string. You might need tape, or you can use a stapler, a scissor to cut the string to the length that you need, something to decorate your binoculars with. You can use markers, or you can use dot art. And I think I might use dot art today. So I thought I'm going to try the purple color first. But Mom and Dad, I do need you to put 2 holes, one on each side of the toilet paper rolls, like this, okay, on the outside, because when we put the string on, they're going to be able to need to put it on. Now, I'm going to put some dot art on this one. I have purple on that one. And I think you can use stickers, you can use crayons, any color you feel like using. It would be cool. Anything you feel like using on your binoculars. Okay, so I decorated my binoculars. Now, if you have a stapler, just make sure your holes are on the outside. You can staple these together. One here and one in here. Now you can help your child put the string through the hole and pull it through. And then you're going to need to put a little knot on it. Make sure the string is long enough to fit around your child's neck so it doesn't choke them. And see, I don't have a hole puncher, so I use a scissor. I have to make this hole a little bit bigger. Just be very careful when you do that you don't poke it through through the other side to your fingers. And tie this one up. Here we go. And here we have binoculars. So when you go on a bear hunt, guess what? You'll have your binoculars with you. I hope you have fun. Bye-bye.